Yes, worry of one sa, Shawonsa, you are of one san in the pants and in 5. Ya womamo and a sabi, Kelvin Taylor, Quasia san or Timmy Yo 2-4. Na dumu what is sonoms, koso. Ya womamo, ya a kufuado, na for what is so. Yes, I oba countryma, national security na a garden. Ghana for in Jimmy and Kebese. Obia on ferry pop, no catch a current sitting president to say, Wo Mahama, hey, how dare you? Mami can be a dangerous war. Your friend say journalists are on mano ya. They thrive on insults. It means say journalism no. Some you for people for them to relevant in life. It is say to me and you be a yana. Nya wo be a whether uye ni pa obeyaw. And now you can say Kelvin aya from top to bottom.
Makache muntaka mubara. The name so giant.
And he still goes about doing it without us and on the better flag bearer of NDC. Hello, baby. I'll be able to check a CNN Emma. Your friend Ben Bruce. I Xposed GH. Patron subscribe. Billy Tumpena wonsa enya ka bi fefe. Yasi jata. Ukwafa jata ba na wonye na kai so benyi. No nyi a send your kan wura mu on sa no beka o. Kelvin Taylor has become what we call a menace and a nuisance in Ghana society. A menace and a nuisance. Won't menace as say go and go. Won't nuisance as say go and go. Or starting not yet a 33 for Saturday na MPP no power to na NDC for board so and the table na 10 na 10 years say what they are call NDC for so muntaka and ya waye ya muntaka kan sama gu muntaka so a
makache muntaka mubarak the name so giant me maka on platform so muntaka or ya kronfo makache aswasefo or ya criminal. NDC executives are yeyi mo foforo asawase. Don't work with Muntaka.
To respond to a bigot, somebody who hates our country but pretend to love it, whose talk is just to malign innocent persons with lies, and he tells the lies with so much confidence that people, some gullible people, tend to believe him.
And what to me na muntaka say we feel because o hwa won obia no wi no sare ko hopes na doye gift adoye ni kunu wono so wokeka bibu no so na onim say gift kunu no wono de wo background check say bi onim ba bia Kelvin Taylor free no so wo na wono so nsuo wo ko school kura na say wo ye Jimmy Telele
the vagabond Kelvin Taylor. Wa o mami wonyin se wo de kwhye Lebanese na wo ye Lebanese hu se o youtube se bidie o dwane ja o mami ho ne ekoto to apetashi ba e wo boase wo be di matem. Kelvin Taylor, go and ask your mother Teresa sana woni lolye e wo sek emo ashawana. You are coming to insult me. Sabe me ho krokro. Na wo ben me a wo mfiri me ho. Say wo ben me a wo mfiri me ho because perfume me do go me ho no. Wo nyeska nto bi mfa ngu ho. Wo nyeska emfa nto sa perfume ni bi emfa ngu ho. Ben ma wa yese apotro. Eba be di me hopes na dem. Wo ye jimi fo. Kelvin Taylor. Wa mucho ma ya hyehyehye se emeso a ye de ejatum abrantie te se wo deodorant kura wontimi ntobi mfa ngu wa mucho akwa bi be hia wo Calabash ye ka ne sai restaurant hall Virginia honum wo hu kan wa mucho mutu te se meso a ye de mako agum
hwa ewiase won yesi worry of one sa hwa wonsa no of one sa ni pansa ni nyina ya 5 ya womamo ana sabi Kelvin Taylor kwasia sa no otimi ye otumfo na dumu eboje sonoms ye koso da bia msisikadwa wo ya na ebegu ani mase ya womamo kwasia bi sa no wo ya akufuado na kwofo oboje so Yes, I oba country ma national security na guard no. Ghana for yen Jimmy Yankee say. Obia on ferry pop no catch a current sitting president to say, "Wo Mahama, hey, how dare you?" Shade be amikase me. Me say ye wo nyina ne Ghana yi. Akunya na wo ho na ene Yewura Mahama siso no, se obi otiso bia me the maximum respect. Ebe ma sa nipa no. Kwaso ni bi. Se me go Ghana akunya ho fi a me amagu me ho afi because say ekwase afo na to abankwase a ema obi kwase a. Enti me hwe no bi ya me president a wa ya me. Na Kelvin starting ye no, na ye feel say o type political party bi achi. Maminka bibia eye dangerous war your friend say journalist or mano ya they thrive on insults. It means say journalism no some yi obi for people for them to relevant in life. It is say ntimi enye obi anya na nia wo obi whether uye ni nipa onye ni nipa obeyaw. That is what is happening to Kelvin Taylor. Kelvin became popular in terms of ayaya. Now say na me share comment ni bi no be say is becoming unbecoming. Are you now seeing say is becoming unbecoming? They be am say Kelvin starting there are times that he makes very good judgment, but the insults the people don't even listen to the things that he's saying. And now you can say Kelvin aya from top to bottom and he still goes about doing it without us and the honorable flag bearer of NDC. What you say? Se no kasa na ko deeper wan hwe yi a e de oye na eba Ghana because masa baby ote no e America Ghana for ho enti mani nye ne sisa oye immune to America national security almost ho ba ho and can be targeted. Mami Kajo Kelvin Taylor, you can be targeted, you and your family, if you don't take time. Because the way you talk as if say one dream ya the akasa na egum as if say the petrol na egu adwemu, you talk with no reason, no fact, or sometimes me tell na say what is this guy trying to say? Who said Jimmy for or kasa you don't find anything in it. It's empty. That is how Kelvin Taylor is. And now we should share the program sometimes ultimate tier program they ask yourself and then I'm nothing. Now, kwasia when and Ghana for everybody to know. And then Kelvin Taylor. What Danny abandoned there? They say, NDC for say we should go and what? Arrest him. We won't. Abandon the boat that you know, ya and then the above anti ya. Make catch him say, what is not good for the goose is not good for the gander. It means that at the end and yet it doesn't matter your political party. Me, Kelvin Taylor, when in MPP time, I spoke against him. In NDC time, I'll speak against him. That makes me a principled person. I don't take sides based on color. I don't take sides based on party. And yet, maintenance na me kase na the other relevant here. It is those people who are hailing people who insult. Obi ti say abonya say kwasia na no nyina ekansu so. Who kwasia say utimi gina ho yankofo and some MPP people are jubilating kwasia for. Abonya should be jailed 100 years because onim nyansa he talks as if there's kerosene in his head. All these people Ghanaians have to show them say we don't have time for them. And Ghana is not a place for what? Insults. I Xposed GHFM member, subscribe, share. We need to man answer, can be manual.